In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. First, launch any app you wanna use in this view and access it in the background like that. Now, when it's a running app, tap on this icon of an app at the top and select Open in Split Screen View in this pop-up here. Finally, select the second app you wanna use and enjoy using both at once. Now, if you want to go back from this view, you can either go back into the background apps and swipe it like you would any other app. If you wanna resize them, hold those three dots in the middle, drag, and adjust them however you want to. Or you can also use the same three dots to exit split screen by dragging one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap in Home button to close remaining app. Quick tip though, most people miss this cool option that appears when you click on the same three dots. You can either switch places of them thanks to those two arrows, or my personal favorite, if you often use two apps in split screen combination, instead of accessing it the way I just showed you every time, you can tap on this star. Tap on Add App Pair to home screen or App Edge panel. It depends which one you find more comfortable, in my case home screen. And then when you close your split screen, you can find the shortcut on a place you picked. When you click on it, both apps will launch in split screen view right away. To delete it, you can always hold it and choose Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!